Hello, welcome. Let's look at the JAMB past questions, Geography 2018. Question number 18. The oldest system of agriculture in Nigeria, which now survives only in very remote areas, is A. Bush fallowing, B. Mixed farming, C. Shifting cultivation, D. Market gardening, E. Mechanized farming. We all know that the oldest form of farming, when there was this availability of huge amounts of land, is shifting cultivation. Because in shifting cultivation, you have a piece of land, you farm in this piece of land this year. The next year, because you feel that the nutrient level or the manure level here is low, you shift to another land, you farm. In the next season, you shift to another land. Call it what? Shifting cultivation. And you can only do this if you have huge hectares of land of your own. If you're having only this as your land, you cannot move to this other one or move to this other one. You understand? You continue to cultivate in that parcel of land that is yours. But because there is availability of land in the olden days, you look at this oldest system of agriculture, then you can migrate or you can shift from one place to the other, and we'll call this system of farming shifting cultivation. This time around, it can only be seen in very remote areas where they still have land. But as there is development is happening, then there is lesser possibility of having shifting cultivation in the urban areas. So you see this in remote areas now. So the right answer is shifting cultivation, C. Thank you.